Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, every year I make this specific video that is nothing but the roadmap to learn AI in 2026. I have already made this video for 2025, I have made this video for 2024. But as things are changing, as you see that around you, now we are talking about agentic AI applications, we are talking more about building AI agents, automating workflows. So usually this roadmaps keeps on changing, right? And I always make sure that every year we also change this roadmap so that it is aligned to the industry work that we are actually doing. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the entire roadmap of AI. Here, my focus will be to provide you each and everything. If I'm specifically talking about the roadmap, I'll not just say that learn this. Instead, I will also talk about here are the free resources, here are the videos, you can go ahead and learn it. Here are the paid resources, here are the paid courses, you can go ahead and learn that too. And we also have amazing live boot camps, which you can also follow. Again, what is the differences between free content, Udemy courses, and live content, live boot camps? It is more of a hand holding. So from free content to Udemy, some amount of hand holding is required. And if you're going towards live bootcamp, more hand holding, more support is basically given to you, right? So let me quickly go ahead and share my screen. And here is the entire roadmap, the AI learning path for 2026. Now, the first thing that I really want to show you is that this amazing graph. So if you just zoom in, right, this is the graph that we have created, zoom in, right? And this graph I've been teaching from past 5 to 6 months and we are updating this roadmap, okay? So here you can see that we start here. You have to choose your path, whether you want to go ahead with traditional route, whether you want to go ahead with modern route, whether you want to go ahead with advanced route, okay? Let's say you don't know anything about AI, right? Anything about AI, and you really want to start completely from basics, then the path should be traditional route. Now this depends whether you are an experienced professional, whether you are in the architecture position, you really want to have the foundation very strong, and you want to start from there and start building on new techniques, new capabilities as you go ahead, right? So if you go ahead and see this traditional route, here we focus more on data science first. We master DS, ML, CV, NLP. Then you add generative AI skill sets on top of it. Then you add agentic AI skill sets on top of it. So here you can see every specific block that you're seeing over here. We have good roadmaps also, right? So once I click this, you'll be able to see the roadmap. So I will just show you in some time. Okay. Then comes the modern route. Let's say your foundation is good. You have knowledge, some amount of knowledge about machine learning, you know Python programming language, you know deep learning, and you want to quickly get started into generative AI and agentic AI. Then this is the path that you should follow. That is modern route, where we start with generative AI roadmaps, we master this skill set, then we add agentic AI skill set, and let's say that you want to also go ahead and back learn data science and all, you can go ahead and open this specific roadmap. Okay. And finally, the advanced one, you have foundation knowledge, you have built some projects, you are in the leadership position, you can start all three parallelly, and that is the advanced route, right? So here is the overall roadmaps that I have actually created over here. Okay. Now, next step, just ask yourself a question. Do you want to learn from basic? Then traditional route is there. Do you have that foundation knowledge? Modern route is there. Are you experienced? You have built already many projects. You want to start all three parallel? Then the advanced route is there, right? So the choice is very simple and you can actually take that particular choice. Okay. Now, if I go ahead and click on the data science roadmap, so what you have to do, if let's say you want to go ahead and follow the traditional route, you click on the data science roadmap. Now, this is one amazing diagram which I really wanted to show it to you all. Here we have videos. So let's say first you start with Python programming language. Once you click over here, you will be able to see what all things you have to learn over here. This is our live bootcamp. And whenever you follow this roadmap, we'll be making sure that we update all our courses, right? Whichever is the current live course that is going on. Now, you're not interested in live bootcamp. So in order to learn Python, you have all the free playlists that we have put over here, right? From the YouTube. So here you can see very clearly all the free things are available. Yeah. So here you can actually see Python playlist, complete Python playlist in Hindi. Let's say you want more handholding, you want more support, go ahead with Udemy, right? So as I said, in 2026, I think this will be the best gift that I can actually give it to you. We have paid content, we have free content, we have each and everything available in just front of you, in just one click of a button. Okay. Now, in order to get started, I would suggest please go ahead and see these videos like what is the difference between AI versus ML versus DL versus generative AI. What is generative AI versus agentic AI versus AI agents, data science, machine learning researcher, what are the differences? Then you start with Python programming language. Once you click over here, you have all the free playlist. Let's say you want to go ahead and check out our live bootcamp, you can go ahead and click it over here, right? If you want to go ahead and see our free YouTube videos, you can go ahead and see it over here, right? If you want our Udemy courses is over here. So with respect to Python, if you are able to spend 1.5 month properly, I think you should be able to become a good Python developer with all the concepts that we have discussed in this. Okay. Then SQL and databases. Again, for SQL and databases, we have designed in this way. We have a paid course, we have free YouTube videos, we have free Udemy courses, right? And not free Udemy courses, it's almost free, right? It's just like 399 to 599 rupees. So here you can see that we have a complete data analyst bootcamp, we have complete machine learning and NLP bootcamp, right? Then we go ahead with statistics. In the statistics, again, here you have the entire free playlist. Here you have the Udemy courses. If you want anything with respect to a live bootcamp where we talk about, here is our live bootcamp. Okay. So if you go over here, you can also see this is my YouTube videos that are available with respect to statistics. Some amazing videos. It has millions of views accumulatively, and people have just acknowledged this playlist. You'll be able to find this playlist even in Chat GPT, even in Google Gemini, everywhere, right? Then after completing statistics, you go ahead with machine learning. In the machine learning also, I have created all the free playlist available for you. Yes, if you really want to support us, you can go ahead and use this buy our batch, live bootcamps to support us. Even you want to go ahead and see some of the projects, you can see it over here, beginner projects, end-to-end projects with ML flow and everything, right? Then you have deep learning, right? After machine learning, you specifically have to learn deep learning. For deep learning also, we have created this amazing playlist, right? 5 days deep learning, complete deep learning playlist. Even we have created playlist in Hindi. If you are interested in learning in Hindi, you can also go ahead and see it. Okay. Then this is the Udemy course, which you can actually follow to get more hands-on, more good content, more proper structured content where you have more projects and more examples, right? And then here also we can see that we have also created some of the free projects that is available for you. Okay. Then we will go ahead and learn about computer vision. In the computer vision also we have this specific playlist. Then you have NLP, right? So NLP also we have some good courses available. You also have free YouTube playlist. You also have Udemy courses. You also have projects that we have defined it over here. So if you just go ahead and click it over here, you should be able to see this. You should be able to see this particular project also, right? So everything is available just in one place, and we have created this entire animated way, like this entire diagram in our website, so that you can follow this roadmap anyway. So let's say that tomorrow we create some more projects, we'll be adding those links over here, right? Then after you get very much good in NLP, then you should basically go ahead and see about MLOps, cloud, CI/CD pipelines. So I've created so many playlists over here. Just go ahead and try it out, guys. So many videos. See, so many videos. You can just go ahead and see that. And I've also created a complete MLOps course, which you can also check it out. And here are the projects. So the segregation wise, see, what is one amazing thing about this? After every section, I've included a set of projects, which you can actually go ahead and watch it in my YouTube channel, and you can get a hands-on, right? That way you have these things, you complete the theoretical things, you implement the practical things, and then you also go ahead and implement the end-to-end projects. So this is how the entire thing is done. Then you also have big data engineering based on your uh, data engineering playlist. You can go ahead and watch it based on that you have. And then finally you have this industry ready AI project. Let's say that you're very good at all these things, then I'd suggest go ahead and take our industry ready projects. There are more than 60 plus projects that is available, right? Then once you complete this roadmap, so we are good at data science. So here you can see that data science has become really, really good. Then we go ahead and explore the generative AIs, right? So data science to agentic AI, like here you can see, if I go to the Pathfinder, here you have mastering MLCV, NLP, then you add generative AI skill sets, right? So in the generative AI skill sets also, what we have done is that we have created the entire the roadmap. So for generative AI, you start with Python programming language. Again, free playlist is basically given. You also have Udemy courses. Then you start with NLP foundation, right? Now inside this NLP, we have this complete NLP playlist. We also have course. We also have projects, right? That way, see the order of covering things. Let's say that you have a good foundation in machine learning, deep learning. Then you want to really focus on generative AI. Then you go ahead and start with Python programming language. Then you start with the free YouTube videos that you have. Then you start with building an NLP foundation. Then you have basic deep learning concepts, which we also have created some good playlist, right? And then you start with advanced NLP and transformers. And here you'll be able to see that I've also created an advanced NLP playlist completely, right? Everything is available, and NLP detailed playlist is also available. Then you start with generative AI, LLMs. So this is the new batch that we have come up with, modern route. Let me just show you over here. Let me click this. Right. So this is the new batch that we are coming up, and this is basically starting from, uh, Sunday, this Sunday, that is on 15th, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. And here we are focusing on the entire way of getting quickly into generative AI and agentic AI. So we'll start building AI agents at the end of this particular course. Okay. So here it is our modern route. Then here you can see LangChain open source OpenAI projects have created. Then if you want to, you have to go ahead and learn about vector databases, RAG, you know. Here is our ultimate boot camp. So here you can see free RAG playlist, Udemy, everything is available. Then you go ahead and start exploring about agentic AI. And you have this entire things with MLOps, CI/CD pipelines and all. And here you have all these projects like with ML with AWS SageMaker, ML with Dockers, GitHub Actions and all, right? And industry ready projects is also available. Okay. So here you can see quickly what we are doing is that we have explored each and everything. Let's say you want to go ahead and see the agentic AI roadmap. Here is the agentic AI roadmap. Again, we start with Python programming language. We cover all the playlists over here. Then you can see very much amazing, basic NLP foundation is basically over here. Then you go ahead and see all the NLP videos. And this is my entire generative AI and LLM applications with all the playlists over here. I've made sure that I've put all the free projects, free videos everywhere. Then you go ahead and understand about MCP, Model Context Protocol. You can also see my playlist is also there. If you go ahead and open it in the MLC, MCP is basically there, right? So if you just go ahead and see the structured content, if I want to go ahead and learn about, let's say, agentic AI, generative AI, I have to probably go ahead and start with Python programming language, right? So we start with Python programming language, then we go ahead with basic NLP foundation. Then you'll also be able to see this. Just a second. So here you go. Yeah. So here you can see complete deep learning for NLP. Then you have generative AI and LLM applications. Then you learn about agentic AI core concepts and frameworks. Then MCP, then deployment and cloud. Everything is basically covered, and you can just go ahead and refer it. So my main aim is basically to provide you a roadmap. In this specific roadmap, just go ahead and click those things, see all the videos, try it out from your end. Okay. And at the end of the day, this roadmap is definitely really, really helpful based on the things that is happening in the industry. That is how this entire roadmap is basically designed. Okay. And if you're unsure about anything, please do make sure to call our counseling team. They will guide you with respect to each and everything. Okay. So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side, and this is the AI learning path from 2026. You just need to go ahead and follow this particular page. Make sure to bookmark it. Anytime, anything that you really want to learn, just go ahead and click on that specific roadmap, and you'll be able to get the entire videos along with the playlist. Okay. So yeah, this was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.